Build your sentences. Here we take the verb to be, which is I am plus the person. Then we build a sentence. For instance, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a freelancer. I am a business owner. We simply take the verb to be, I am, then we add the person, the career, the person. Yes, as you have seen, we have taken I am, then we added a teacher, we took I am a teacher. You can do the same way. Build your sentences. We just use I am plus from plus a place. Then here we have some examples. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Dhaka. I am from a small town. Yes, this is how you can say where you are from, where you come from, by using this simple formula to construct a sentence, to build a sentence. You just take I am plus from plus a place where you come from. For instance, I am from Bangladesh. I am from Dhaka. I am from a small town. Okay, now let's see how you can build a sentence that describes how you are or the state of being. We just take the verb to be, I am, then we add adjective. For instance, I am busy. I am tired. I am ready. I am excited. I am nervous. I am interested in English. Yes, this is the easy way to state how you are. Just you can use this way to describe if you can use it to explain your mood, your situation. Yes, like I am busy, I am tired, and so on. Build your sentence. Okay guys, now let's look at how you can describe what you are doing. Yes, by using this formula. I am plus verb plus ing, yes, plus the ing form. It's I am plus verb, then putting the ing form, adding the ing form at the end of, yes, the sentence. For instance, I am, yes, which is that one. Then learning, learn, verb to learn, which has taken the ing form. I am learning English. I am working on my English. Model, not for memorize. Hi, my name is Atif. I am from Bangladesh. I am an English teacher. I am working on my spoken English, and I am interested in helping people communicate better in English. Hi, my name is Atif. I am from Bangladesh. I am an English teacher. I am working on my spoken English, and I am interested in helping people communicate better in English. Can you repeat after me? Hi, my name is Atif. I am from Bangladesh. I am an English teacher. I am working on my spoken English, and I am interested in helping people communicate better in English. Do the same way. Notice, I am learn English. That's wrong. I am learning English. That's correct. I am teacher. That's wrong. I am a teacher. That's correct. I am English teacher. That's wrong. I am an English teacher. That's correct. Don't make a mistake. Don't ever confuse this. Yes, you can see it clearly. Don't ever make a mistake. Don't ever confuse this thing. Yes, don't you commit a mistake. Yes, you can use these phrases instead. Don't ever say, I am learning English. No, that's wrong. Tell us in the comment what you think. Okay, now it's your turn. Yes, let's play a little game. Then you are going to cooperate these phrases, right? Yes, make sure you put your opinions in the comment section. Hi, my name is dash dash. Then you just cooperate with your name in the comment sections. And I am from dash dash. Just you put the place, yes, as you have seen in the last lessons. Yes, I am from, then press place, your place, the place where you come from. It might be a country or a place where you live, your residential place. I am an your career. You just add the career, what you do. Yeah, you might be a student, you might be a farmer, you might be an engineer, you might be anything, yes. Then I am running dash 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 dash. You just cooperate with what you are learning. Maybe you are learning e-commerce, you are learning trade, you are learning computer, you are learning French, you are learning Kiswahili. Just answer with what you are learning currently, nowadays, what you are learning. Yes, cooperate that sentence with what you are learning. And I am trying to improve dash dash. What are you trying to improve nowadays? What are you trying to improve in these days, nowadays? I am interested in dash dash. What you are interested in?